Hi boys and girls. Hi to all the mummies and daddies at home. My name is Elenna and I'm going to take you through a kid's yoga class today. We're going to start crisscross seated in our space. We're going to take 3 big balloon breaths together, in through the nose, out through the mouth, in, out, in, out. Great job. Bring our hands to our heart center. We're gonna think about somebody that we love. Great job. Let's begin. We're gonna start today standing. We're gonna start in mountain pose. Nice, strong stance. We're gonna stretch our arms up, growing nice and tall through the top of our head. We're gonna take 3 big balloon breaths here together, in through the nose, out through the mouth, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Last one, in and out. And now we're gonna do toes to sky. So we're gonna reach down to our toes and up to the sky. Let's do it 2 more times, all the way down to our toes, all the way up to the sky. Reach, reach. Last one, all the way down and all the way up. And let's hold that big stretch. 3 big breaths. Last one. Great job. Let's go into chair pose. Now we're gonna sit in our imaginary chair and reach our arms up, and we're gonna take 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Next, let's go into star pose. So we're gonna open our feet wide. We're gonna stretch our arms out, and we're gonna take up lots of space as a star. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job at home. Now let's take 3 big star jumps. Are you ready? Here's 1, 2, and 3. Great job at home. Next, let's go into rocket pose. So our feet are closer together. We're gonna reach our arms up overhead, bring the palms of our hands together to make the top of our rocket ship. Let's look up and blast up really high. Reach and reach and reach. Great job at home. Now let's shoot our rocket to one side. Come back through the center and to the other side. Great rocket ships at home. Next, let's practice our balancing. Let's go into tree pose. So we're gonna balance on one foot. We're gonna bend up the other, bring it to the inside of our leg, finding our balance. If we wiggle and wobble at home today, that's okay. Let's grow our big tree branches and reach. Grow nice and tall and big. 3 breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's try the other foot. So we're gonna do our best to balance on the other foot. Bend up your knee. Bring your foot to the inner leg. And let's grow our big tree branches, trying our best to find our balance. Good job at home. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great tree poses at home. Next, let's go into gorilla pose. So we're gonna bend our knees. We're gonna step onto our hands, and we're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. We're gonna roll up really slowly. Good, and we're gonna do some gorilla hops. Are you ready? We're gonna jump from side to side. Let's jump down and across, and down and across, down and across. One more big gorilla hop. Great job. Now let's walk like gorillas together. So we're gonna sink down low. We're gonna let our arms hang. You ready? We're gonna walk like a big gorilla. Let me see you do this at home. Great job. Let's turn around and walk all the way back like a big, strong gorilla. Great job. Excellent. Next, let's go back into chair pose. So we're gonna sit down in our imaginary chair. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Great chair poses. Next, let's try flamingo pose. We're gonna bend up one leg and balance on the other. We're gonna tuck our arms in, making our flamingo wings. Let's try our best to find our balance. If you need to touch down with your foot today, that's okay. Good job at home. And let's try our other foot. So finding our balance. If you need to wiggle and wobble in flamingo pose today, that's okay. Try your best. Standing nice and tall, finding your balance. Good job. Excellent. Next, let's come down onto our knees. We're gonna do some cat and cows next. So we're gonna have our hips over top of our knees and our hands underneath our shoulders. We're gonna pull our tummy in and let our head hang. And look up to the sky. Good job. Pull the tummy in. Look up to the sky. Last time, pull the tummy in. All the way up to the sky. Nice big stretch. Now we're gonna go into melting hearts. We're gonna keep our hips high. We're gonna walk our hands out and we're gonna let our chest melt down to our mat or to the floor. Let's take 3 big breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Let's push ourselves back up. We're gonna come down onto our tummies next. We're going to go into seal pose. So we're gonna push into our hands. We're gonna lift up our chest. Take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job at home. Next, we're gonna come back to tabletop. So our hips are over our knees, our hands are over our shoulders, and we're gonna try bird dog. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch out one arm and the opposite leg, trying to find our balance. We're gonna come back into center, and we're gonna switch. Bring it in together and switch, trying our best to find our balance. Great job at home. Let's try it one more time on each side, really working on your balance, working on your muscles. Great job, boys and girls. Next, we're going to come back and do a couple of cat and cows. So let's round and tuck the chin. Look all the way up. Pull the tummy in. And look all the way up. So good. One more time. And look all the way up. Great job at home. Next, we're gonna come down into child's pose. We're gonna bend our knees, stretch the arms out in front, and let our forehead come down onto the ground. And together, let's take 3 big breaths. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's sit down, and next we're going to go into butterfly. So bring the soles of your feet together. We're gonna open up our legs like butterfly wings, and let's flap our wings just a little bit today. Good job at home. Next, we're going to go into caterpillar. So we're gonna stretch our legs out nice and long. We're gonna reach for our toes. We're gonna take 3 big breaths here. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Reach, reach, reach. Great job. Next, let's go on to our backs. We're gonna go into happy baby. So you hang on to the outside edges of your feet. Knees open up nice and wide, and let's rock our baby side to side, side to side. Good job at home. And let's settle in the middle. Take 3 big breaths here. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's give ourselves a nice big hug here. You can rock side to side again. Good job at home. And let's make our way to kneel down position. Coming back to the middle of our space. Good. We're gonna take 3 nice big balloon breaths here. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's bring our hands back to our heart center, and I want you to think about your favorite animal. You can think it in your head or you can say it out loud. We're gonna close out our yoga class like mummies and daddies do with our special word. Are you ready? Namaste. The good in me sees the good in you, and together we are all connected. Thank you for doing yoga today. I hope you had fun.